Today I going to discuss about under GERL system means Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum and lysosome together called as GERL system. Under GERL system, lysosome. First we know what is lysosome. The single membrane enclosed tiny spheroid or irregular vesicles containing hydrolytic enzymes which helps in both intracellular and extracellular digestion are known as lysosome. Intracellular means inside the own cell and extracellular means outside the cell. Lysosome, here is the structure of lysosome. Lysosome remains scattered in the cytoplasm of animal cell. It is absent in plant cell and it is also single membrane bound organelle. The number increases in the secretory cells. Now know about the ultrastructure of lysosome. A mature spherical lysosome is surrounded by lipoprotein, means lipid plus protein, surrounded by lipoprotein membrane. Inside the membrane, the finely granular regions of different density are observed. Within it, different hydrolytic enzymes are present. Now know why lysosomes are known as suicidal bag of the cell. Why? Lysosomes known as suicidal bag of the cell because that contain lytic enzyme capable of digesting cells and unwanted material. When lysosome means inside the lysosome, it is filled up with hydrolytic enzyme. When these lysosomes burst, the lytic enzymes within the organelle spill all over the cell. Means if it is present inside the cell, when its outer membrane burst, it is spreaded all over the cell, rupturing the cell membrane and inducing the death of the cell. So that's why it is known as suicidal bag of the cell, means these organelles, inside these organelles it is filled up with hydrolytic enzyme. When it bursts, these hydrolytic enzymes spread it all over the cell, and after rupturing the cell membrane, then after rupturing the cell membrane, it causes death of the cell. So next, know about the functions of lysosome. Functions of lysosome. First, lysosome helps in cellular digestion. It helps in autolysis, means digest various organelles of the cell. I already told you that when these organelle rupture, it releases the hydrolytic enzyme and it digests its own cellular organelles. Hence, lysosome known as suicidal bag of the cell. We already know about that. Other than these two functions, other functions are as follows. Food taken by pinocytosis and phagocytosis. These two terminology I later explain you. Food taken by pinocytosis or phagocytosis are digested by the enzyme secreted by lysosome and the lysosome in white blood cell may destroy the bacteria and viruses in the way. These are the two processes, phagocytosis and pinocytosis. In the phagocytosis process, look at this diagram. Suppose bacteria, virus, any microbes when come, cell with the help of this phagosome, they destroy these microbes. So this process is known as phagocytosis. The stored food as protein, carbohydrate and fat are digested by lysosomal enzymes. And also when the lysosome digests its own cellular organelles, that's why this is known as intracellular digestion. So lysosome, another function, it helps in intracellular, means inside the cell. It helps in intracellular digestion, means it digests its own cellular organelles. That's why, and also digests stored foods like protein, carbohydrate and fats by its lysosomal enzymes. That's why it helps in intracellular digestion. Lysosomal enzymes help in extracellular digestion. Extracellular means, I told you, means outside the cell. When it takes place, the lysosomal enzymes of spermatozoon. Spermatozoon means sperm. Sperm get liberated outside and digest the egg membrane, promoting entry of sperm into the egg during fertilization. During the fertilization, what will happen? The head of the sperm, it releases this lytic enzyme to digest the egg membrane, and then promoting entry of the sperm into the egg when it takes place during fertilization process.